The second story I want to tell you about is a generation of novel drug candidates with desired properties. The R&D profitability, pharmaceuticals R&D, is declining consistently. It is declining from the 50s, and it is declining right now. So at the chart to the left, you can see how costs of R&D rises. They rise exponentially, while the revenue increase linearly. And if we just overlay left and right, we will see a huge hole in the budget. Profitability of pharma R&D are declining consistently, and we don't see any positive trend. Typically, to deliver one drug to market, it takes 10 to 15 years. The works cost more than 1 billion. So we have a huge problem. Let's decompose the process to details. Where this cost comes from? It comes from a basic research, which usually takes 3 to 6 years. Then preclinical and clinical studies, they take 6 to 8 years, and registration another 1 year. At the beginning of the drug discovery process, there are 10 to 30,000 drug candidates, a vast amount of molecules to test and try and filter and select. What abilities AI gives us? It gives us ability to generate candidates with properties we know from the beginning, not understand the properties after a huge research and expenditures, but know it from the beginning, narrow the circle of a drug candidates. And as you see, it will significantly reduce time. Less time, less cost of the research. By fact, first AI-generated medicine was delivered in 2019 by Zhavorenko team. The conventional drug manufacturer was Genentech. These huge corporations paid 8 years and millions of dollars, while small team of Zhavorenko, they spent only 46 days and 150,000 US dollars to move the innovative fibrosis medicine to the clinical trials. Essentially, they cut 8 years. In our work, we presented AI-assisted drug design with generation of novel drugs desired properties. It works as shown. We take known drugs as an input, we learn the distribution, we sample, then we generate new drugs, we correct errors in them, then we validate the properties in a simulation, and as the output, we're receiving new, unique, novel drugs with desired properties. Here is the abstract from the paper. It was published in really Journal of Computational Chemistry. Feel free to check it, the link below.